Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps closing on the application or threads. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you search about the application of threads and we click here. In this page of app info, we go to first stop and we click OK. Here we will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.